Hi, we are Ander Munoz, 15, Aichol 21, and Ander Ausin 3. We are going to do one work about gastronomy of the Basque Country.
The most famous food in Basque Country is the pincho.
What is a pincho? Is one sophisticated food in a little portion.
One of the most famous pincho is the potato omelette pincho. In Basque Country are a lot of pinchos.
In our opinion, we think that the best path of pinchos of Bilbao is El Globo, in Diputació Street 8.
Created using Powtoon.